Let's see. How do I change wallpaper on the VitaDB? I need visual aids. Okay, yeah. On your Vita, you have to press the L trigger button, and this will change your different categories. Like this one is for the PSP homebrews. And you press it one more time and you'll access the themes options, or the themes where you can download and install. One of my favorites is Crisis Core. It looks so good, along with the Super Saiyan 2 Gohan. But this looks beautiful. I love this right here. Hey, welcome Ali. And all you have to do is just, hit X. It will download the theme, install it, and then you press X again and it will activate the theme for you on VitaDB. And there we go. Let's check out this one. This is the Dark Souls theme. Nice. So if you're a big Elden Ring or Dark Souls, there you go. Have it consistent throughout. And that's how you do your themes. I'll answer a couple more questions here, and that's it. Desmond says, last question, how do you install stuff like themes you download it on VitaDB? Probably go to VitaDB under data, go through your themes, and just delete them. Robles, did you hear that Rockstar Games took down a mod that had GTA 4 map imported to GTA 5? It's a shame. Yeah, they took some of my videos down too, so I'm not surprised. They're that petty to really go that far, but I don't know. Go under themes here and just delete what you don't want. Just go in here, triangle, delete, and that's it. And you'll save some space, a couple of megabytes here and there, and you're good to go.